Good day mga ka-wedgie. Okay, now let's test drive our Jaiku EJ6. Hello, Jaiku.
Please say it.
Nice one, Jaiku. So it's a full EV and it's a all-terrain vehicle. That's the claim. Jaiku is a part of the Geely group of companies. Okay, so it's an emerald or dark green exterior with a tan or orange interior. Ayan, para makita niyo. Yun, no? Diba? So let's check the performance, how it works. Ang claim is 422 for the 2-motor engine, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, some claim na 380, some claim 427, pero din ako narinig 440. Depende siguro sa mode. So ngayon, naka-economy mode tayo. Ayan, economy mode. Okay, kasi matulin siya eh. Okay, ang horsepower shift niya is it's 275 to 279 ang claim, horsepower. Again, it's an all-wheel drive. Supposed to be it's an off-road vehicle, but pero full EV, ha? Good morning, good morning. Antok pa si ka-wedgie nyo, okay? But let's review it today, this morning. This Wednesday morning, if I'm not mistaken. Tama yung isang kakilala ko na nag-claim na yung console niya is perfect dun sa manibela. Tama, shoot na shoot siya eh, oh. Yung info system niya is so big, it's bigger than a laptop. And everything's there, ha? Nandyan lahat yan. Okay mga ka-wedgie? Okay, samahan niyo ako. May napansin din ako. Unlike other EVs, pag inapakan mo siya ng konti, may G-force pero pino ang dating. So far I'm liking the vehicle, ano? And it's boxy. Lately trip ko mga boxy, mga ka-wedgie, okay? Sasamahan nyo ako, ha? At tayo magre-review ng Jaiku EJ6, a full EV and all-terrain vehicle, all-wheel drive, off-road vehicle, sorry. Okay. Time check 6:27 in the morning. Ayun, oh. Let's go. So we started 86%. Ngayon nasa 83. My estimate is 12 kilometers. For every 12 kilometers, 3% ng battery power nyo ang nagagamit, more or less. Again, naka-economy tayo. Hindi natin inaapakan ng todo-todo pa. Okay? So far so good. The suspensions are very very nice. For an off-road vehicle, para siyang sedan tumakbo. As far as I know, hindi ito naka air suspension, di ba? Baka McPherson to. I have to check on that. Mac, Jessica, double check what the suspensions are of the the EJ6. Okay? May joke nga ako eh. Kaya ako kinuha to. Bukod sa boxy, para ba siyang mga ka-wedgie, pinakapangit na kotse sa balat ng lupa. Sobrang pangit niya, naging cute. Okay? Para bang bumili ng aso, ang pinili mo pag. Di ba ganon? Sa sobrang pangit ni pag, naging cute. Di ba? Gumaganda sa paningin. Ganon din ang pananaw ko dito sa EJ6, kaya ako kinuha. And I like the color of the interior. You know naman, I had a Jeepney before the green. I also like the color green in vehicles. Okay, samahan nyo ako. Good morning, good morning. Ayan. So, napansin ko rin na ang leather niya compared sa mga European na lumabas na EV, quality. Magandang ang interior niya. Diba? May cooler system pa. Yung mga stitches maganda. Oh, diba? Stitching is okay. And just like my two other vehicles, you can talk to it. Ayan, subukan natin. Hello, Jaiku.
Please say it.
Turn on aircon.
Okay, the command has been executed.
Nice.
Diba? Incidentally, may sunroof din siya. Tingnan natin ha. Hello, Jaiku.
I'm coming.
Open sunshade.
Okay, the command has been executed.
Ayun no. Diba?
Wow.
So those are safety options. Hindi mo kailangan ng tingnan yung mga buttons, yung mga knob niya, di ba? You just talk to the vehicle. Hello, Jaiku.
Here.
Close sunshade.
Okay, the
Ayun na,
command has been
diba?
executed.
Sumasara na siya mag-isa. Okay. Excited ako. Nice one, Jaiku.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Ayun no. So dito sa Mobile Alabang, meron na silang 3 slot. Fast charger ba to? Palagay ko, laki oh. Ayun yung maliit oh. Ayun oh. Yun oh. Diba? AC. Isang AC, isang DC. Ayun. Okay. So dalawa yung slot bay niya for the DC. Fast charging ba? Hindi natin alam. So marami na rin naman. Dumadami na ang EV charging hubs. Okay. So quick yun. Pag nasa Alabang area kayo. Dito sa Mobile. Brothers Coffee and Deli Mart. Mobile.
Reggie TV.
Okay. So naka 25 kilometers tayo and like what I said, I started at 86%, di ba? Roughly nung lumabas ako ng bahay, nag-85. So 81% ngayon. So 25 kilometers with 5%, maybe 5.5%. More or less. Why am I saying this? Kasi yung problema sa mga EV, yung owners is yung range anxiety, di ba? Natatakot sila na lumayo. Pero fairly accurate yung sinasabi niya. Parang dito, with 81%, I still can run 340 kilometers, di ba? So, I think it's fairly accurate. Okay. So, nandito na tayo. Mamaya naman, okay? Tignan natin pabalik sa gabi. Good day mga ka-wedgie. Short review yan ng Jaiku EJ6, the full EV off-road vehicle of Jaiku or Geely Group of Companies. Magandang umaga at maraming salamat sa pagsama sa atin ngayong umaga ito. Keep safe and see you soon.
Reggie TV.